Everyone talking about Laundromat by Hexennacht. The notes in this are laundry soap, fabric softener, ozone, and coin op washing machines. Yeah, it smells like a laundromat. There are tons of fragrances that smell like laundry detergent or fabric softener. I'm sure I've made that comparison. I see it all the time in other fragrance reviews. And yeah, sometimes it is pretty accurate for that vibe. Usually not meant as a compliment. But this truly captures like the full laundromat experience. Yeah, not like it's something I want to wear to smell like. I mean, I feel like if someone smelled you wearing this, you would just smell like you used like a lot of laundry detergent and fabric softener on your clothes or something. So I don't think it would be like, oh God, that's super gross or something. But this isn't something that I would think people would get because it's like, ooh, I'm gonna smell so good wearing that. More just like it's fun and interesting and creative and just cool to sample and kind of evocative of such a real place that it's interesting they were able to do that. Yeah, so almost reminds me of that kind of like powdered Tide type of smell. But yeah, so I wouldn't recommend it for like, you know, compliments and sexy vibes or something like that. But like, just if you like trying fun stuff, yeah, it's interesting and cool. And I'll link in the description where you can get a bottle or sample if you want to check it out.